Okay, student. Now let us go with the next topic. What is that? Identity. So, what is meant by identity? So, it's a mathematical equation, which can be true for all the variables in it. That means which can be true for all the values of the variables in it. That means if, for example, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab is there. If you put a value or if you put b value on the both sides, that means same value. Some, for example, some a is equal to 2 and b is equal to some 3 on the both sides. So that statement should be true. So those are called as the mathematical identities, which can be which looks in general identity means which looks like the same, but identical to each other means what, which should be looking like same, but not the case here. So here, for example, if any mathematical expression is from a plus b whole square, then immediately we can expand that into the form of, or we can write a plus b whole square as a square plus b square plus 2ab form. So let it be. So in the math, in the trigonometry also we are going to have the identities. So to explain that, so first trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. So the trigonometric identities, so we are going to have three trigonometric identities. I am going to deduce them, so you know already. So for that, so to deduce them, consider a triangle ABC, so in which angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Consider a triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So I am drawing a triangle here. What is that? ABC. Here angle B is 90 degrees. So this will be hypotenuse and this will be opposite side and this will be adjacent side. So how can I write? By using Pythagoras theorem, so I can write this as hypotenuse square is equal to, what happened to this again? So hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. What is the hypotenuse here? Otherwise, so if you take the angle theta here, if you make the angle let A is equal to theta, angle A is equal to theta I am taking. So in the first case, so I can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So now I am going to have, or I can divide. So case 1 I am taking, case 1. So I am dividing both sides by AC square. What can I write? AC square by AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square by AC square. AC square S square will be cancelled. You will get the value as 1. So I can write this expression as 1 is equal to AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. That means 1 is equal to AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square. So what is AB by AC here? So AB is adjacent side, AC is hypotenuse. So I can write this as cos theta. Cos theta will be adjacent by hypotenuse. Now I can write this as 1 is equal to cos theta whole square. And BC by AC. BC by AC is what? Sin theta. I can write this as sin theta whole square. And this will be cos square theta plus sin square theta. Sin square theta is equal to 1. So and I want to tell you one thing. Cos theta whole square means it is cos square theta, but it not be like cos theta whole square is not is equal to cos theta square. It's the wrong format. That means, so we discussed it in case of some values. So cos square 45 means what? 1 by root 2 whole square. But we should not take, so cos 45 square or cos square 45 square both are same. So but we should not get 45 square, and that's absolutely blunder. So that's what I meant tell there. Next one is going to be, so what we got? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. And next case 2. So here what I am going to do is, so in the next case I am going to divide both sides by BC square. I am going to divide both sides by BC square or some AB square, let it be. So here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square is there. I am dividing both sides by some AB square or BC square, anything you can take. AB square let us take. So AC square by AB square is equal to, this one will be AB square plus BC square by AB square. So how can I write this one? This I can write it as, AC by AB whole square, that will be is equal to AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square. AB square will be cancelled. So that means this will be also BC by AB whole square. AC by AB is what here? AC by AB. See, this is AC, this is AB. Hypotenuse by adjacent is the reciprocal of what? Sec. So this will become sec theta whole square is the 1. BC by AB whole square. Actually, BC by AB means what? Opposite by adjacent. That is tan theta. That is tan theta whole square. This I can write it as sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Send tan square theta that side. What you will get? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is identity number 2. First identity is what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Second is what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And for case 3. So for case 3, so what is the statement? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So in the last case we have divided both side by AB square. Now I am dividing both side by BC square. Divide both side by BC square. What can I get? AC square by BC square is equal to AB square, AB square plus BC square by BC square. So that will be AC by BC whole square is equal to AB by BC whole square plus BC by BC whole square indirectly. AB by BC whole square, BC. So BC cancel, you will get 1 square. So AC by BC whole square is equal to AB by BC whole square is equal to 1. Now AC by BC is what here? Look at here carefully. AC by BC. AC is hypotenuse. Look at it. AC is hypotenuse and BC is what? Opposite side. That means hypotenuse by opposite is cosec. So this is cosec theta. Cosec theta whole square is equal to AB by BC is what here? So here if you look at carefully, this is AB and this is BC. AB by BC is what? Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite means what? Cot theta. Cot theta whole square is equal to 1. This will become cosec square theta is equal to cot square theta plus 1. Send cot square theta this side. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. These are the 3 identities. First one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Third one is cos square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. We will discuss one question, some examples on this. Example number 1. So show that sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus cos theta plus sin theta. Otherwise simplify sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus cos theta plus not plus take minus better. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus cos theta minus sin theta whole. So what is this form? A plus B whole square. This is B minus A form. Let it be. A plus B whole square is what? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now this is A minus B whole square. What can I write? A square plus B square minus 2. A is what? Cos theta. B is sin theta. 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 cos theta sin theta, both are same. Why? 2AB, 2BA, both are same. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1. Just now we discussed this. Both are same. A square plus B square or B square plus A square. 1 plus 1 will be 2. Once again, sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus cos theta minus sin theta whole square. So value I have written as A plus B whole square form, A square plus B square plus 2AB. This is A minus B whole square form, A square plus B square minus 2AB. And you can have some multiple questions on this. One more question. Otherwise, express sin A cos A in terms of tan A is my question. express sin A cos A in terms of tan A. So before that, so let us take, so I am taking first cos A better. Why I am taking cos A is, so first what is the relation? Sec square A minus, this is the identity, tan square A is equal to 1. Sec square A is equal to what? 1 plus tan square A. So let us take A where A is the acute angle, where A belongs to acute angle relation. That means it lies in the number 1. Now, I'm sorry. Now, how could I write? Sec A is equal to root of 1 plus tan square. Here you have to get that out, sir. We don't want sec A, no, why you are deducing for sec A. So once if I know, so actually this is plus or minus, but A is what? Acute angle, so always it is positive only. That is the reason I am taking only plus. So here you have to get the doubt, sir, why you are taking sec A here? Actually we don't need of sec A, we want sin A and cos A. But why I am taking that is, sec and cos are reciprocals to each other. Cos A is equal to what? Reciprocal of this one. That means 1 by root of 1 plus tan square A. 1 by root of 1 plus tan square A. So in the same way, we can do in different ways. Sin A. So sin A, how can I write? The different ways we can write. Already we got cos, so that I can write in terms of cos only. So sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So sin square A is equal to 1 minus, what is the value of cos A we got in terms of tan? 1 by root of 1 plus tan square A. 1 by root of 1 plus tan square A. So now I can write this one as 1 by root of 1 plus tan square A, and we have square. So don't cancel the square and square root, so it would not be like that. It will be square, the whole square, then we can cancel. 1 square is 1, and here square and root will be cancelled. What you will get? Sin square A is equal to 1 minus 1 square is 1, by square root cancel, 1 plus tan square A. Sin A is equal to cross multiply 1 into 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A minus 1 by 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. Now you will get sin A is equal to root of tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Still I can write this as root of tan square A by root of 1 plus tan square A. Square root will be cancelled. What do you get? Tan A by root of 1 plus tan square A. So this is about the what? How we are going to have the, otherwise we can write in a easy way also. So I can tell you, sin A I can write it as tan A into cos A. Why? Tan A into cos A. Tan is what? Actually sin by cos. Sin A by cos A into cos A, both are cancelled, you will get sin A only. That is the reason sin A is equal to tan A into cos A. What is the value of cos A we got? Just now I written here. Cos A is what? 1 by root of 1 plus tan square A. See, 1 by root of 1 plus tan square A. 1 into tan A is tan A by root of 1 plus tan square A. Did not to go for all this story. Directly can again see, sin A is tan A into cos A by sin A by cos A. So in the same way, sometimes if someone asks you that cos A in terms of cot other ratio also, we can write cos A as cot A into sin A also. Why? Cot A is what? Cos A by sin A. This will be useful to you somewhere while solving the question. That is the reason I am explaining you. See, cot A is cos A by sin A, and sin A will be cancelled. You will get cos A. In the same way, sec A also. If they want sec A, take the reciprocal of this. That means, so if they want sec A, reciprocal of cot A is what? Tan A. Into reciprocal of sin A is what? Cosec A. Like this we can write. That depending on the requirement we are going to use. Simply send this one this side, send this. That means those two will become reciprocals to each other. Depending on the requirement I am telling. So if they want cosec A, what we have to take? Cosec sin A we got here. Cosec A is what? Sin A I can write as cosec A. That means for your clarity I am writing all this. Cosec A. That means the reciprocal of this one, and this is going to be reciprocal. That means 1 by tan A. Getting what I am telling here? 1 by tan A. 1 by tan A is what? Cot A into 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A is what? Sec A. So otherwise look at here. This will be cos A by sin A. Am I right or not? Now sec A is what? 1 by cos A will be cancelled. What will get? 1 by sin A. 1 by sin A is what? Cosec A. Cosec A is the reciprocal of the sin A. In this way we are going to have. So this is all about the identities. Once again I am recapping you. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So you can now you can solve the exercise questions also.